In this video, we listed the 15 best construction tools for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Electric Seam Cleaner. The 850W Electric Seam Cleaner is a powerful construction tool designed for efficiently cleaning and maintaining seams in various flooring applications, especially ceramic and floor tiles. With a robust 850W motor, this machine is engineered to clean tile grout lines and seams, ensuring smooth and seamless finishes in both residential and commercial spaces. The tool is often used to restore the appearance of grout lines by removing dirt, mold, and other debris that can accumulate over time. This beautiful seam agent construction tool features a user-friendly design and powerful performance, making it an ideal solution for cleaning floor tile seams without damaging the surface. It is particularly effective in ceramic tile applications, where grout can become discolored or dirty, affecting the overall aesthetic of the flooring. The electric seam cleaner functions as a slaughter machine, removing old grout, excess adhesive, and other buildup from seams, making it easier for professionals to reseal or refinish tile surfaces. Product 2. Product name: 45-degree Angle Cutting Tool. The 45-degree angle cutting tool is a versatile and essential tool for precision cutting, particularly in tasks involving ceramics, stone, and other building materials. This tool is designed to provide a clean, angled cut at a 45-degree bevel, making it ideal for corner and edge finishing. The 1PC metal tiling 45-degree angle cutting tool features a robust construction that ensures durability, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications in both DIY and professional settings. This tool is commonly used in tile cutting, particularly for creating beveled edges on ceramic tiles, stones, or other materials where a sharp, precise angle is required. It is especially valuable for corner cutting in tiling projects, where achieving a professional finish is crucial. The universal ceramic tile cutter seat allows for smooth operation across various materials, offering flexibility for different building and renovation tasks. Product 3. Product name: Clamping Corner Joint Tool. The Clamping Corner Joint Tool is a versatile and multifunctional tool designed primarily for use in floor construction and drywall applications. It is especially useful in decoration, plasterboarding, taping, caulking, and splicing tasks, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with drywall and plasterboard installations. This tool helps ensure precise alignment and secure clamping of corner joints during the construction or renovation process. It is particularly valuable in creating smooth, seamless joints in drywall or plasterboard, which are critical for a polished and professional finish. The Clamping Corner Joint Tool is engineered to provide strong support and stability while working on corner joints, helping to maintain the correct angle and pressure when securing pieces together. Product 4. Product name: Red Laser Level Kit. The dewalt YVRLL4XS2B1B Cross-Line Red Laser Level Kit is a versatile tool designed for precision in construction, DIY projects, and home improvement tasks. This self-leveling laser level provides two highly visible red cross lines, ensuring accurate alignment and measurement over large distances. It comes equipped with a magnetic holder and a rotating base, which allows for easy positioning and stable mounting on a variety of surfaces. The self-leveling feature ensures that the lines are always level, making it ideal for tasks such as hanging pictures, installing shelves, or aligning tiles. Additionally, their compact and portable design makes it convenient for both professionals and hobbyists. The tool's durability and accuracy make it a reliable addition to any toolkit. Product 5. Product name: Electric Impact Screwdriver. The YoFitter 25 Plus 3 Torque Electric Impact Screwdriver Cordless Electric Hammer Drill is a versatile power tool designed for both professional and DIY use. It combines the functionality of a hammer drill, impact screwdriver, and wrench, making it ideal for a variety of home improvement and construction tasks. This cordless drill is specifically compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offering users convenience and flexibility by utilizing a well-known, reliable battery system. With 25+3 torque settings, this drill can handle a wide range of applications, from drilling into wood, metal, and masonry to driving screws efficiently. The hammer drill function allows users to drill into harder materials like concrete or brick with ease, while the impact screwdriver setting offers high torque for driving screws in various materials, making it highly effective for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. Product 6. Product name Weaver Tool Kit. The Weaver Tool Kit is a comprehensive collection designed to meet the needs of home maintenance, DIY projects, and automotive repairs. This kit comes with a wide variety of tools, making it an ideal choice for those looking to tackle home improvement tasks or small vehicle repairs. It includes essential tools such as pliers, screwdrivers, wrenches, a hammer, and a utility knife, all packed in a portable tool storage case for easy organization and transport. Given its focus on versatility and convenience, the Weaver Tool Kit is well suited for individuals who appreciate having a compact yet functional set of tools readily available for a range of applications. Whether it's for everyday home repairs or more complex DIY projects, this kit provides the necessary equipment to get the job done efficiently. Additionally, the well-organized storage case ensures that tools are easy to locate and safe from damage, making it a practical choice for those seeking reliable home or automotive repair solutions. Product 7. Product name 90° Square Laser Level. A right-angle 90° square laser level is an essential tool for precise measurements in construction and DIY projects. Designed for tasks that require accurate 90° angles, this laser level projects a straight line both horizontally and vertically, making it ideal for aligning walls, framing, tiling, and setting tiles or other square fixtures. This tool is highly useful in measuring job sites where a perfect right angle is critical, ensuring the accuracy of your construction or renovation work. The laser vertical ground wire instrument measurement feature makes it especially useful in situations where the alignment of structures or electrical components needs to be spot on. The laser helps mark straight lines over long distances, simplifying tasks like installing walls, cabinets, or even running electrical wiring. Its precision is a significant advantage for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Product 8. Product name Angle and Arc Marking Tool. The Angle and Arc Marking Tool is a versatile construction tool designed for precision in marking angles and arcs. Made from durable stainless steel, it combines two essential functions into one tool. It serves as an adjustable linear arc scriber and a right angle marker. This dual-purpose scriber is ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and other construction tasks where accurate angle and arc measurements are required. The tool features an adjustable mechanism, allowing users to easily set the desired angle or arc radius, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to wear, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're marking materials for cutting or measuring angles for installation, the Angle and Arc Marking Tool provides accuracy and ease of use, making it an essential tool in any toolkit. Product 9. Product name dewalt Lithium Battery Laser Level. The dewalt DW089L Sides 360° Vertical Lithium Battery Laser Level is a high-performance construction tool designed for precise leveling and alignment tasks. This tool features a 12-line horizontal green laser, delivering a 360° vertical laser projection that ensures accurate readings and measurements across wide spaces. It utilizes a lithium battery, providing long-lasting power for extended usage. Ideal for a variety of construction and renovation projects, the dewalt DW089L is built to withstand tough job site conditions, offering enhanced durability. The green laser provides better visibility compared to traditional red lasers, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. This tool is particularly useful for tasks requiring precise leveling, such as framing, tiling, and cabinetry. With easy operation and rugged construction, it's a valuable addition for professionals in the construction and renovation industries. Product 10. Product name 50 PCS Silicone Gel Tape. The 50 PCS Silicone Gel Tape is a versatile, multi-use beauty tool designed to enhance the application of lash extensions, as well as a variety of other makeup and skincare tasks. These non-woven breathable under-eye pad patches are made of high-quality silicone gel, which makes them gentle and comfortable for sensitive skin. The tape provides a secure hold for the delicate under-eye area, ensuring that lash extensions are applied accurately without irritation. It is breathable, which helps prevent moisture buildup and ensures long-lasting comfort for the wearer. Ideal for professionals and DIY beauty enthusiasts alike, this gel tape can be used not only during lash extension procedures but also for makeup application, including eyeshadow and eyeliner, and even for skincare routines like under-eye masks. The 50 pieces pack ensures ample supply for multiple uses, making it a cost-effective solution for those who regularly engage in beauty treatments. The silicone material is easy to remove without leaving residue, offering a mess-free experience. Whether used for professional services or personal grooming, these silicone gel pads deliver a reliable and soothing experience. Product 11. Product name: Infrared Laser Levels. Infrared laser levels are advanced optical instruments designed for high-precision measurement in construction, renovation, and other professional applications. These tools use infrared laser technology to project highly accurate horizontal and vertical laser lines, enabling users to achieve precise alignment and leveling over long distances. Infrared laser levels are particularly valued for their versatility, as they often include multiple functions such as self-leveling, adjustable angles, and multiple laser modes, e.g., single or cross-line projection. In the context of renovation, measurement, and construction, these devices are invaluable for tasks like hanging shelves, aligning tiles, installing windows, and setting up cabinetry, where precise measurements are critical. The infrared component offers benefits such as reduced visibility interference from ambient light and the ability to measure longer distances than traditional laser levels. Product 12. Product name: Brushless Electric Impact Drill. The 18V13mm for 80N.M brushless electric impact drill is a powerful and versatile cordless tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this drill offers high torque performance, providing up to 480 N.M of impact force, making it ideal for a variety of tasks such as drilling into wood, metal, concrete, and more. The brushless motor ensures improved energy efficiency and longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors, reducing maintenance needs and offering more consistent power delivery. With a 13mm chuck size, the drill can accommodate a wide range of drill bits, making it suitable for different types of projects. The cordless design adds portability and convenience, allowing users to work in areas without access to power outlets. Additionally, the electric screwdriver functionality makes it a handy tool for screwing tasks, enhancing its versatility for all kinds of home improvement, construction, and repair projects. Product 13. Product name: L1 Laser Level Angle Meter Casting Instrument. The L1 Laser Level Angle Meter Casting Instrument is a versatile tool designed for precise measurement and leveling in construction and woodworking projects. Combining the functionality of a protractor, digital inclinometer, and angle ruler, this instrument allows users to measure angles, inclines, and distances with high accuracy. It is equipped with a laser level feature for easy alignment and leveling over large surfaces, making it ideal for use in both residential and commercial construction projects. The digital display offers quick, clear readings of angles, ensuring a more efficient and precise workflow for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This tool's multifunctionality and ease of use make it an essential item for any toolbox. Product 14. Product name: Foldable Small Water Well Drilling Rig. The foldable small water well drilling rig, also known as a hydraulic water well digging machine, is a portable, compact solution designed for drilling water wells to a depth of up to 100 meters. It is especially useful for small-scale operations, such as household water supply, agriculture, and rural applications, where traditional, large-scale drilling rigs may not be feasible or cost-effective. The key advantage of this foldable rig is its portability and ease of transportation. The design allows the rig to be easily folded for storage and moved between different job sites, making it ideal for remote or hard-to-reach areas. Its hydraulic system provides efficient drilling power, allowing it to bore into the earth with precision and ease. This type of rig can also be equipped with various drill bits and accessories, enabling it to handle a variety of soil and rock types.